How to cancel McAfee subscriptions. Well, you can also cancel a subscription through the Play Store or an App Store, but if you are on your iPhone, you can directly do it. So what you want to do is, first of all, head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, head over to your Apple ID. Tons of different options will be available to you, but head over to subscriptions. It will land you on this page. So in this page, it will show you all the list of the application that you have the subscriptions of. Right now for me, I don't have any one of it, so none of the application is available here. But if you have bought the subscription and now you want to cancel it, then what you want to do is simply tap on the application over here. Well, as you're looking for the McAfee app, simply click on that app. Right beside it, you'll find the option where it says cancel. All you want to do is click on cancel. Once you click on cancel, the subscription will be cancelled successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel McAfee subscription. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.